Okay, so I came up with another little idea. A little bit nerdy on this stuff. I had an idea to put a GoPro on my fender here, my fender apron, to point right at the turbo, you know, when I'm doing some pulls. So I strapped a light here to the radiator hose, and I have another light down here that I'm going to use to, you know, kind of light it up. And so I don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know if I'm going to pose this or not, but we'll see. I'll warm the car up, take it out front, make a few pulls, and then let's just see what it looks like. It should be a pretty cool view. I'll get a couple different like zoomed in and stuff like that just to see the turbo. This is a Borg Warner. It's an SX-E billet wheel journal bearing turbo. It's a 64 millimeter with a 0.82 back housing, I think it is. I can't remember. I bought it originally with a 1.0 back housing, and it was it took too long to spool, so I went down to a 0.8 and it got a lot better. But yeah, so we'll do that. I'll turn the nitrous on and we'll let it rip. So yeah, it's getting a little bit dark outside, but like I said, I got these lights all hooked up, so it should look pretty good. Let's go. Okay guys, so I previewed the video that I just shot, and one of the lights went out, but it actually still looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and post it up, let you guys take a look at it. Hopefully some of you guys get some enjoyment out of it and kind of get a different angle and view of, you know, what it looks like on the inside. There's a few other things I wanna do, like maybe some video of the outside of the car, you know, maybe where the exhaust is or something like that. I don't know, maybe an angle up underneath here, or I don't know, something that, because, you know, like on the trans brake that shoots flames a little bit. So that'd be kind of a cool view with the GoPro. I don't know, let me know what you guys think you wanna see. I don't know what else you could do as far as, you know, different angles and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I mean, the car was really ripping. Right now it's like 50 degrees out in Florida, which is a little strange, but it was making a lot of power. It was lighting the tires up in first, second, and third gear. And yeah, it's a little sketchy out there on the road. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll bring you some more stuff. Like, share, and subscribe. See ya.